Hey everybody, it's Jeff from the Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas Center Strip on the Las Vegas Strip. Gonna check out the shops at Crystals today, and gonna do that for a few reasons. First off, we usually just walk through this mall when I do a video, and I never really do any window shopping, so if you're into window shopping, this video is for you. Secondly, this video was shot sometime around the Christmas season, believe it or not, so we're going to call this the Jeff Goes Shopping, window shopping that is, at the shops at Crystals, Christmas time, because he's running out of Las Vegas videos. Thank goodness he's going to Las Vegas next week. And thirdly, it gives me, Jeff from New York, the opportunity to discuss the upcoming trip next week to Las Vegas, talk about things that I have up my sleeve and things that you guys might want to see. You can certainly leave a comment below on things that you would like to see me see, do, record, eat, check out, whatever have you, in my upcoming trip next week in Las Vegas. So this is kind of a mishmash video, but it's going to be a fun one, I hope, and give you guys the opportunity to give me some feedback on my upcoming trip. Let's check it out. The shops at Crystals, Christmas time in June, shall we? Lovey, we're going to the shops at Crystals. Did you bring our Platinum American Express card? Oh, Thurston, Platinum is for the peasants. We wouldn't be caught dead without a Black American Express card these days. Speaking of credit cards, Jeff from New York wouldn't be caught dead traveling without his Lego Visa. That's right, my credit card has Legos on it. It's not black, it's not platinum, it's Lego, and I'm proud of it. These clutches and handbags cost thousands of dollars, but they're the perfect size and well worth it for carrying your bus pass and your Dollar General rewards card. I always told myself if I won a small fortune in a casino while I was in Las Vegas, I'd run over here and buy myself something really nice for myself, like a watch or something, knowing that I wouldn't be able to gamble away the money that I won, and I'd go home with something really nice for myself. What would you do if you won a small fortune in a casino? Would you continue to gamble? Would you buy something nice for yourself? Would you just pocket it and hopefully not spend it back in the casino or something? Leave a comment below. I'm sure I've mentioned it in previous videos, but did you ever notice in ads that all the watches are set at 10 after 10? It's true. Check it out. Whether it's a print ad or a television ad or a internet ad, the watches are always set at 10 after 10. There's a reason for that. And if you look at this watch store, it's a very nice watch store, they go through the trouble of setting all their displays at 10 after 10. I couldn't for the life of me figure out what Hermes was trying to display here in their window until I saw the silk scarf. Did you see it? Harder to find than Mitzi. Speaking of which...
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This looks kind of like Liberace meets Michael Jackson. I love galleries. Unfortunately, they don't allow you to record, except for one exception was at Resorts World up the street. They actually invited me in to record, which I really appreciated. But for the most part, they'll wrestle you to the ground in a gallery. It's even stricter than a casino. And that doesn't stop me from visiting. I just can't bring you guys along with me. You know, you don't really see too many nice men's shops anymore. I, of course, am visiting today the Shops of Crystals in my sneakers, black jeans, and a Hard Rock hoodie. How classy is that? Okay, so how many of you knew that Stella McCartney, the famous designer, is actually Paul McCartney's daughter? It's a great example of someone who could have lived a very comfortable life, very wealthy, traveled the world on her father's name, but she decided to work hard and make a name for herself. Even if, well, Paul actually made the name, but you know what I'm talking about. Mastro's Ocean Club is a steak and seafood restaurant which includes dining space as well as a bar in the mall's treehouse. That's right, that sculpture is part of the restaurant. There's people in there eating and drinking. Oh look, it's 10 after 10. Look closely, it's all Legos. I'm not sure why, but there's two Diors here at the Shops at Crystals, one on the upper level, one on the lower level. I guess when one Dior closes, another Dior opens. So I got this trip coming up in just a few days to Las Vegas, and quite honestly, I have been so busy, I just haven't given it much thought as far as what I'm going to do. I have come up with a couple ideas, and I'm hoping you guys can help me out. I mentioned in a earlier video that I wanted to do a Jewish deli throwdown, and I think that's a great idea. Jewish deli is becoming more and more popular here in Las Vegas, and there's quite a few good ones, so I think I'm going to do something like that. I also promised myself that I would never rent a car again in Las Vegas. Between the cost of the rental and the parking and everything, it just doesn't make any sense. However, I decided I am going to rent a car for a couple of days during my visit, and it's a toss-up between a convertible muscle car like a Mustang convertible or something like that, or some kind of like a imported convertible like a BMW convertible. As a matter of fact, I was thinking of leaving the vote up to you guys in the community room, so make sure you check out that community room. Whatever you guys decide, that's what I'm going to rent, so we'll keep that in mind as well. I guess you can consider this the Christmas in June part of this video. This Swarovski crystal holiday tree. It's got 5,000 Swarovski crystal ornaments, 100,000 LED light points. It's 55 feet tall. It's got 108 branches. This thing was simply beautiful. All that being said, I just want to wish everyone a happy and healthy holiday season, even though it's June. Seriously. There's nothing wrong with being happy and healthy in June, right? Also, I know I butchered the name Swarovski, but just gonna have to deal with it. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. So guys, again, I will be visiting Las Vegas in a couple days. Please leave some comments below on what you'd like to see me do. If you have any ideas, again, I will be renting a car. So keep an eye out on the community room. I will be posting a survey in the next day or two whether you want to see me driving around in a muscle car convertible or some kind of European convertible. I do have some ideas with regards to covering the F1 race that's coming up here in Las Vegas, as well as the MSG Sphere. I got a few ideas on that as well. So again, if you have anything, leave a comment below. I'd greatly appreciate it.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.